So double window, when you're doing the double window, so double windows, and it's very important to know. So when you have the double window, one half is picture, one half is a tilt and turn. Let's say it can be like this, tilt and turn. Double window also can be like this window, where both opens and there is no post. So one will be tilt and turn. One, we call it by German word Stulp window. So like active passive. So you have the active like this one and passive like this one. And over there, active and passive. So this Stulp, draw.
How do you spell that?
SHTULP.
Okay, here you go. Pretty good. That.
So when you're doing that one, it's drawn like this. So you're not drawing to the end of there. You're drawing here, and like in the carpentry, how it always was done, it has pins. One goes up, one goes down, right? So you draw that as a pins up and down. So not to the end. So no, there is no confusion. So it means that's a Stulp, that's a passive one. So and it's very important to draw this way, because that's like everywhere in the world. Basically, this is accepted, except Canada and North America. That's the two countries which still using inches and stuff like that. But we draw that like this. So it's a passive active. No mullen in the middle. But also, when people wants to have tilt and turn on both, so they want right to have tilt and turn and left have tilt and turn. So we can do that as well. You do one right, you do one left. In this case, there will be two handles. This will do tilt and turn, this will do tilt and turn, and will be two screens. And here will be one screen. One screen. Active. This one is both tilt and turn. Mullion there in the middle. You're gonna have the post in the middle, so a tilt and turn has something to close and grab, and will be two screens. In terms of pricing, we basically pricing is pretty much similar. Here on the Stulp you have kind of how to say. This piece.
You have adding new different hardware. Yeah, we have them in our.
But we still have here the hardware. We still here have the
all the hardware, the handle.
Well, handle is additional.
I also think you can get more. You could
really get more.
I mean, like you've got you got the most inexpensive, then more money, and then a little more. Right? Each one. Is
from the from the sales perspective and cost perspective, yes, there is a price difference. To make life simpler for the sales guys, we're not gonna go into the $800 window. We're not gonna make you do those
little
those calculations, is it going to be 796 or 792? You know, I don't want to waste your time, energy, whatever, to fight for, you know, less than % different. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So basically, just to make your life easier, let's treat this and this same.
Yeah,
If this gonna cost $800 and this gonna cost $807 or $810,
it seems cheap. That's
I would say it's not worth. We can bear that cost in overall the numbers we do, margin we do for all the windows, just to make life easier. But let's treat it as this.
Yeah, it will be exception once in a blue moon, basically.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, like Ivan sale this week, Monday sale.
Yeah.
Pretty good sale for 16 units. Yeah, the customer want this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and customer came yesterday, so I confirmed with him the glass formulas and stuff like that. So at some point we have to talk about the glass options too, for the entrance doors. We didn't talk yesterday. And you mentioned me yesterday, Harman, another thing, huh?
Closure.
Oh, closer.
Self-closing hinges.
Yeah, we didn't mention that let's say sometimes people want the door from garage to house. So in that case, we can do windows, we can do the doors with the ED60 profile, kind of thinner profile, a bit cheaper, doesn't gonna cost that much. And those doors by the code have to have self-closing hinges or closer, so they have to be self-closing doors. And those doors cannot have glass by the code. So if it's if it's people like we had in the Sherwood Park here, the client who said, I still want the glass there and I don't care about the quote, we just have to make sure it's written there, so we're not taking responsibility. As per customer's request, glass in this door will be installed and stuff like that. And she said, no, I don't want any closers. I don't care. So we just put that. It's existing house. It's not a new build. If it's a new build, it wouldn't pass the occupancy inspection. But in the older house, that's customer responsibility. Customer can do whatever she wants. So we just have to cover our ass, make sure we're not liable for that. So that was just on the doors. Do you understand anything on the double windows?
Yeah, it's all good.
Okay.